We're recording.
Sugar's not in yet.
Oh, they'll find it. They'll get excited here.
Here they come.
Here's Billy Boy checking it out. Oh, here he goes. There he goes. They're getting excited. They're glad their bed was changed. That's enough. Good boy. Good boy, Billy Boy. Billy Boy's down on his front. His butt's up in the air. Him and Cowboy are talking about it. Sugar's just standing there looking on the block, looking around. We have frolicking going on here. Sugar's about to get involved. This is pretty cool. They're happy. They're real happy. We have frolicking in here. Watch out. Billy Boy's got an itch. It's okay, Sugar. Charlie, you spooked her. Oh, wow. Sugar took a dump in the new bedding already. You like that, Billy Boy, don't you? He likes that new bedding. He's just having a hell of a time in here. I can't wait for you to see this on replay.
Oh, he's crisp. Here he comes. Here comes Cowboy. He's frolicking. They're out here frolicking.
All right.
They'll be back in. Here comes Billy Boy back in. Here comes Billy back. Here he comes. Poor little kid. You got some shavings down his hole.
Yeah, he sniffed some in. He's got a little cough now. Oh, he's just really having a good time here.
Yeah, I feel good for it.
He's rolling in it.
Hey, honey, I'm blowing him in by mistake.
All right.
Always pull that door down too much, Jake.
All right.
I want to see them films then.
All right. Ha ha.